So here they're asking if we can multiply any column matrix by any row matrix. So remember, when you're talking about matrices, it's going to be the row by the column. So what happens when you have a column matrix is you have a bunch of rows. What is happening instead is you only have one column. So a column matrix would be a row, a bunch of rows, and then times one or by one. Whereas if you look at a row matrix, what happens, so a column matrix would look like this, whereas a row matrix, that is where it kind of looks like this, where you just have one row, but you have a bunch of columns. So the question is, can you multiply this column matrix by a row matrix? And again, if you have a column matrix, it's going to be some number of rows times 1. And then if you multiply that by any row matrix will have 1 by some number of columns. And it doesn't matter what R and what C represent, because here again with multiplication, you have the same inner dimension. And so because of that, that's going to result in an R by C matrix when you actually make that multiplication happen.